Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I haven't done an electronics video in a while, and I wanted to see what the inside of one of these look like. What's it called? Pest reject. So this device emits, I should say, an ultrasonic wave, which we can hear. Maybe even it's out of the dog's hearing range. I'm not sure. I would hope it is. It's a very simple circuit. I mean, it uses the NE555 timer. If you're familiar with electronics, you know what kind of a chip that is. It's a timer chip that's controlled with resistors and a capacitor. Yeah, it's a pretty simple circuit. I was going to draw it, but I think that would be infringing on patent rights. So, I mean, I can show you some of the components, but if I drew the schematic of this, which I can do, I'll probably get in trouble. So, yeah, we're not going to go down that road. Yeah, so there's a full wave bridge rectifier in it right here. The power comes in. It's 120 volt power source, AC. Yeah, there's the 555 timer. Various capacitors for different things, and then the piezo device is right here. It's a crystal with silver plating on it, and the leads are attached to it, and that vibrates at a very when you apply voltage to it, the crystal expands and contracts, and thus, as it's shaped like a diaphragm, it emits a signal. In this case, ultrasonics. So I guess this would keep the pests away. And yeah, the ultrasonic wave would come out the back here. So yeah, it was a little interesting thing I wanted to see. The inside of it, I was curious like how complicated it was, and it's pretty much a very simple device. Thanks for watching.